So we're going to thread up a sewing machine. This is the machine that I'm using today. Every machine's different for threading up. So use your booklet. So usually you have a spool pin to put on your cotton, and then you have thread guides. So here are the pictures. So these numbers actually tell you. So number 1, I'm taking it around here and up and through, and then I'm going to go down the thread guide down to number 3 and then back up around the thread take up, and if you can't loop it on there as it is, bring the flywheel towards you, and then I'm going to go down and into my needle. So every machine has got guides, images. If not, get your manual out. So winding the bobbin, you've got your bobbin case and your bobbin. Take that out and put that on. So again, you've got thread guides to tell you where you're going to go. So I'm going to go around here, and then I'm going to come back along the bottom. Oh. Then I'm going to go up and around. Then I'm going to come across. Now if you've got holes in your bobbin, you can wrap it around a few times. And then generally they all click across. So click across, and then you press your foot pedal. And it should wind there for you. So that's winding there. So you can stop and you can check that everything's alright and there's no thread going underneath. And then you can carry on. So it's telling me that it's full, so I'm going to click back, I'm going to cut the thread, and then it's ready to go into the bobbin case. So all bobbin cases are different. If you see here, some have an image that you can do, so it's telling me that I'm going to pop my bobbin in and I'm going to follow that guide. So I'm turning it that way, and then I'm going to bring it around and up and follow the arrow, and that's it. So that's a top loading bobbin case ready to sew. So when you've threaded up your machine and your bobbin is set in ready, all you need to use is your flywheel and bring your flywheel down towards you, and what will happen is that'll then pull up the bobbin, the loop underneath. So then you can grab that. Oh, just pull it up, and then your threads will go to the back, and then you're ready to sew.